Hello and welcome. Today, we'll explore one of the most joyful practical life activities, slicing a banana. This simple work supports independence, coordination, and the delightful experience of preparing food for oneself and others. Our learning focus today is safe food handling, precise cutting, and caring for the environment through orderly cleanup. Begin by preparing a tray with a child-sized cutting board, a dough-edged knife, a napkin, a banana, a bowl for waste, and a small dish for serving. Arrange everything neatly from left to right to guide the child's sequence. Invite the child warmly. Would you like to slice a banana? Peel the banana slowly and place the peel into the waste bowl. Hold the knife securely with fingers wrapped and thumb on top. Slice gently from top to bottom, creating even pieces. Place each slice into the serving dish with care. When finished, wipe the board and clean the tray calmly. If appropriate, invite the child to share the banana with friends. The points of interest are the soft rhythm of cutting and the pleasure of making equal slices. Control of error appears naturally. The banana may slip or cuts may be uneven, showing where practice is needed. Avoid very dull plastic knives that crush rather than cut. Extensions include slicing cucumbers or strawberries, or spreading butter on bread. Through this small act of food preparation, children discover independence, generosity, and the quiet joy of serving others.